Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Analytics video session 98. So basically in today's video we will just continue with the multiple functions which we have been doing till now. And today we will cover new functions of multivalue, which is the array contains. So let's get started. So let me jump back to the, so before that, let me just quickly open my Excel sheet. So we were discussing on this, but now as you can see here, what are the, so out of this 10 customer, let's say my client wants to find out who are the ones who are having morning shift preference. I want to see the total number. Okay. So let me just write here morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay? So if you see over here, for morning we have 1, 2, 3, 6. So we have a total of 6 for morning. For afternoon it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So for afternoon it is 4. And for evening we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For evening also it is 6. Okay. Okay. So the total number of customers who are having morning shift preference is 6. For afternoon it is 4, and for evening it is 6. Now this is something which I want to find in my chart as well. Okay. So this was the ones we were working on, which is a table, and this is the chart. So now if I want to see how many are having, how many customers are like the first out of the data set, how many are having morning preference, how many are having uh, you know evening as well as afternoon preference. So how we can do that? So that's the scenario, and let's try to understand how we can complete that scenario on the data layer. And with that, of course, we'll be utilizing the function array contains. Now, if I open this, so firstly, let's so first of all, let's understand that function of array contains. So let me first of all get the list of data so that we can preview it. So here is the preview section, and what I will do is basically I have to work upon this particular multi-value. So I will go for the custom formula, and firstly let us very quickly understand the meaning of array contains. So I have to utilize this function of array contains. I will just bring that over here first of all. And let's quickly read this. What is the meaning of this? So it says that array contains, it returns true if the specified string is found in the multi-value. So we will deal with multiple, and there's a specified string which we have to mention in that multi-value field. And that literal, the string which we mentioned, if it is present, basically it returns as true. Okay. So what I'm going to write over here is case when, right? Case when the array contains, I will provide the field name, which is shift value multi-preference, shift preference multi-value, and the literal which I want to check out. So array contains is like in that particular list of array, it will check for that specific literal which you want to search out. Okay. So now here I will go for morning. Case when array contains shift preference multi-value, it's morning, then one, else zero, and okay, and the same exercise of course we will be doing for afternoon and evening as well. So first of all, let me write here morning. Let me write here morning, and this will be done by of course. Apply. Some mistake is popping up. Let's check what is the issue. Something going wrong. Or this is a field that's also a function. Okay. Case when array contains. Case one array contents. This is fine. Okay, I have written array print. So yeah, this is the one related to morning. Okay, this is done. And as you can see here, so wherever it is having the morning value, it is showing us one over here. Okay? Now, of course, we will follow the same exercise for others as well. So again, let me just write over here afternoon. And at last, I will go for evening. So basically, out of this multi-value, whatever strings I need to find the count of, I have just given the case one. And as you can see here, like basically wherever one is one, it is just starting at one. And finally, in the designer layer, we will just do the summation of morning, afternoon, evening. So that we will get how many customers prefer the morning, evening, or afternoon shift. Right? Now, this part is done. Let me click on save and run. And of course, let's monitor it over here. Yeah, as you can see, the recipe ran successfully. And now, basically, if I just open this particular data set, and I can just go for summation of morning. I can go for summation of afternoon, as well as I can do summation of evening. Okay. So as you can see here, like this is exactly what is matching for us, whatever we found out in the Excel sheet. So yeah, the morning is 6, afternoon 4, evening 5, and that is what we can see over here, which is classified by this legendary. So that we can save it as. Yeah, so this is done, and basically through this, our client gets a clear picture of course, we can also view it in complete level. So yeah, we can view it in comfortable as well as in chart mode, where our clients definitely gets to see like who are the customers, the total number of customers who are having the morning shift preference, afternoon as well as evening. So that's the whole process. And as you can see here, so that's how we actually kind of utilize the array contents where a particular array is being taken, and from there we can just find a specific string which needs to be found out. Okay. So of course here we have to put the field as multi-value field, and yeah, that's the way to kind of check it. So yeah, that's it about this video. And other than that, I think the only part which is left in multi-value. So we went through the split, we went through the array join, array contents, we went through the size as well, and of course we will just check the other multi-value functions which are left, and we will try to understand all of the applications of this. So yeah, that's all about this video, and please definitely do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.